Hi everyone. Today I will be discussing the third program, lab program for EC and the civil branch. The program statement is we have to write a C program to check the given character is lowercase or uppercase or special character. So let us see how to do this program or how to write a logic. So the what is mentioned in the program statement, whatever the character entered by the user entered by the user, we have to check whether the entered character is uppercase is uppercase or lowercase, or it is a special character. So I'm writing in the short form. UC stands for the uppercase, LC lowercase, and SC special case. So what is our aim? The user will enter the character. We have to check whether the entered character by the user is in uppercase, lowercase, or it is a special case character. For example, if the user enters the input as A, the output should be the character A, the character A is lowercase, lowercase. Another case is if the user enters the input as capital V, the output should be displayed as the character V is uppercase. And if the user enters the input, for example, he'll enter the symbol dollar, then the output should be the character dollar is a special case character. Special case character. So here the task is very simple. We have to write a program to take a character as an input from the user, and we have to check whether the entered character is in uppercase, or it is in lowercase, or it is in special case, or the entered character is a special case character. If the user enters any of the letters, so when you will tell the input entered character is a special character, so if the letters are between, so if the letters are in between small a to small z, that is lowercase a to lowercase z, we will call it as lowercase, right? So in the same way, if the letters are from capital A, if the letters are between capital A to capital Z, we will call it as uppercase character. And now, if the entered letter or the entered character is ash, comma, dollar, star, at, curly braces, all this will be called as special case character. So now the program is very simple. The user will enter any character within these three sets, and we have to tell whether it is lowercase, uppercase, or special case. Now let us see how we can code for the same. So first, I'll be including the standard library stdio.h, stdio.h, and then our program will begin from the main function in main. So now, what I have to take from the user have to enter the character. So to store the character, I'll be taking one variable ch. Again, I have to take input from the user, right? So I'll be just entering the messages, enter the character. Enter the character. So again, scanf. So the format specifier for character is %C, and then where I am storing in the variable CH. So now the user has entered the character. We have read the character from the user. Now we have to check. We have to check whether the entered character is lowercase, uppercase, or it is a special case. So what I have to do now? I have to write the logic for checking whether the entered character is checking whether the entered character is lowercase, uppercase, uppercase, or it is a special case character. Special case. So now going back to the simple logic. So what I told, if the letter is within A to small letter A to small letter Z, I'll call it as lowercase. So what I'm doing, so suppose if the user has entered the character P. So first I'll check whether this P comes within this A to Z. Yes, if it comes, I'll call it as lowercase. So what I'm doing here, so whatever the entered character by the user, I'm doing the comparison, right? I'm doing the comparison with small letter A to small letter Z. I'm just comparing whatever the entered character by the user, is it between the small letter A to small letter Z. If it is, then we are going to display it as lowercase. Otherwise, suppose if the character entered by the user is capital Q, I'll first check whether it is from A to Z. No, right? If it is not, I'm going to check for the next one. Next condition, I'm going to check whether it is between the capital letter A to capital Z. Yes, if it is going to display it as uppercase. So in each test, what I'm doing the character comparison. So what I'll use the comparison operator. So how? So now, can I use the if here? Yes, I'll just use the if and then I'll check whether the entered character is greater than the capital letter, sorry, small letter A, and it should be between small a to small z to be the lowercase letter. So can I write like this? So if the entered character is in between the lowercase a and lowercase z, I'm going to call it as lowercase character. So can I, where I'm entering the character? CH variable. So if it is greater than a and the character is entered character is within the lowercase z, then I'll be calling it as lowercase character. So what I'll be displaying in the output? So printf, the entered character, the entered character percentage C is lowercase. So if it is not within the small a to small z, it can be, the entered character can be within capital A to capital Z. It can be between the uppercase letter A to uppercase letter Z. Then I'll be calling it as uppercase character. For that, I'll go with the else if. So else if character is within the capital A and if it is less than or equal to the capital letter Z, then I'll be calling it as uppercase character. So the entered character percentage C is uppercase. Again, coming to the last condition. So what was our last? So either it will be in the lowercase, uppercase, or it is special case. So now, if the user has entered the letter like at, so now it will check with A to Z. No, it is not between A to Z. And again, it will go for else if condition A to Z. No, then obviously which part, what is a letter? It is a special case character. So I can directly write the else condition. Else the entered character, the entered character, the entered character percentage C is a special case character. So this completes our program. So in this program, the mainly have you made use of if, else, and else statement. So if for checking whether the character is from within the lowercase letter to A to Z. So if the character is not within that, so I have to check the other condition that whether the character is within the capital letter A to capital letter Z. So, if the condition, if the character enter doesn't satisfy both of these conditions, then it will be a special case character. I have written that inside the else. So now let us execute this program and check the output. So first I will be saving the program. So I will be saving the program with a name like lowercase, and then I'll try to execute the program. Now my program is executing with a zero errors. So first I'll enter the character A, small a. So it is displaying the entered character is lowercase. Again, again I'll run the program and check. So I'll enter capital A. So it is displaying that entered character A is uppercase. So again I'll run it. Now I'll enter any of the special case character, like I'll enter the at. It is displaying the entered character. So it's not taking at, particularly depending upon the compiler, it's not displaying the at symbol, but it is showing the entered character is a special case character. So this completes the logic for checking whether the entered character is a lowercase, uppercase, or a special case character.